say may help you, may still help me as well. So we all are learning. I'm not a teacher, I'm just giving this. Good morning. How you guys doing this beautiful morning? Hope you guys are fine and keep it safe as well. So it's what is today? Today is Thursday morning, and today is our street market day. I'll be going there to buy my full screen protector and some fruits, maybe one or two things. You know, when you get to the market, all the things can enter your eye. And also I'll be going to pharmacy. I will tell you the funny story about the pharmacy later when I'm outside. And I want to get something for my daughter as well, because she said tomorrow is a teacher birthday and she wants to gift her something. So she asked me to buy one or two things, but she have already designed the beautiful carton that she's going to use for the gift. I will show you guys, okay? Let's go. So I'm inside the lift, guys. About the yeah, it's more clearer. About the pharmacy where I want to buy rub, but yesterday I got to the pharmacy to buy syrup for my son cough. Unfortunately for me, after buying it and paying for the syrup, I took my receipt and wallet and left this medicine there. What would you guys call that? What would you guys? I'm here in the pharmacy. I'm going inside right away, okay? Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Ieri ho comprato un sciroppo qui che hai lasciato qui.
Sì, Green, ce l'ho conservato.
Sì. She remembered. I believe I bought it from her yesterday. She remembered. Oh my God, that is good. I thought she would not remember that I was here yesterday. Grazie. This rub. Grazie. And this is what I forgot yesterday. Okay, so you have seen the syrup that I forgot yesterday. This very one, I forgot it here. This syrup is very good for cough for babies, more than just like from 1 year. 1 year, yes, from 1 year upwards. It's very good, very good. And this rub too, if you are a mother, you should have this. Maybe you don't have opportunity of having that one from Nigeria, just think of having this. It is very good when your child have cough or anything. You can put it on his nose, on her nose, on her chest, massage to his wrist and all. This rub is very good. It's do the perfect and magic. Okay, I'm going to street market now. See you guys later. Guys, hi. I'm in the market, you can see from there. So I'm going to the other side. Yeah, the other side. So I've changed my mind. As in, what did I put in my phone is screen protector and the case. As you may know, I got a new phone. If I have to buy the screen protector from the shop, is about 20 euro, 90 euro, 99 cents. But from the street market, you can get it for just 5 euro. If now you are there, what you go? Do not be street markets, you go for. That's why I'm here today to get it. Anyway, I'm going to buy fruits now. I'm going to the place of the fruits to buy fruits. Then I'll go to the supermarket to go and get what my daughter wants for her teacher. Okay? Still in the market though. This is the store close to the market. Market is over here. Questa. This is the sweet. Voglio questa. This is the sweet my daughter is looking for. Niente, se I got the sweet. Voglio questa. Ugo Johnson, Ugo Boss.
No, Ugo solo, non Boss.
A me dammi 3.
3?
Sì, 3.
Cosa fai? Video?
Cocomelo si chiama.
Si chiama Cocomelo, no Cocomelo.
Un po' orange lime and Hey guys, so I'm back home. Yeah, I'm back. I did not go to the supermarket because what I was going to buy in the supermarket, I found it in the street market, which one particular candy that my daughter sent to me, which is this candy you're seeing here. So this is the one I got from the street market as well. Okay, so and also on that street market I got these beautiful glasses. Let me show you guys. I got these beautiful glasses. You know, summer is here, so let me try it on. Look at it. Their father, their great daddy. See how beautiful this look. Oh my god, this is so fine. I'm going to be rocking this on this summer. No, summer, I love wearing glasses in this summer. Okay, I just got it. How much did I buy it? I got it for €5. Yeah, €5. I got it for €5. Is it back 2,000 something in Nigeria money. So let me keep my glasses that I'm going to rock this summer. Okay, let me go back to the business why I am sitting here today. Okay, if you know you are in diaspora, you are in Germany, you are in France, you are in Denmark, you are in Italy, please grab your popcorn, grab your juice, your wine, come closer, sit and come and listen to what I'm about to say. May help you, may still help me as well. So we all are learning. I'm not a teacher, I'm just giving this. I know you guys did not ask for it. I just want to give it out. Okay, it's my talk. I've been thinking about this. I've been thinking here and there, here and there, here and there. Mostly we, the parents in these countries, which I just mentioned. So the mistake that we have been making, we will give birth to child here. As in our kids, we give birth to all of them in the country where we live in. Then while we make our money, we invest everything in Nigeria. If your kids are in Nigeria, they are giving birth to in Nigeria, invest your money there. Yes, they are going to go back there because they are used to that environment. But if you give birth to your kids here in this country, in Europe, wherever you are, why you invest, why you make your money, invest half of it in Nigeria, because definitely one day you will go back there and stay as the parents. Maybe while you stay there, maybe when you are old, you will go back there and stay. But your kids, I'm not coming to that place to stay permanently. Definitely they are going to come to pay you a visit once in a while. While you are older, and this is when you are still young. Okay, but while you are busy making your money as you are young now, share the money equally. Invest some in Europe where you are, and invest some in Nigeria. Don't just be sending everything back to Nigeria just like that, because your kids which you gave birth to in this place are not going to go to Nigeria and begin to live there like the way we used to live. Even we, the mother that have lived here, or the father that have been here for so many years, it's difficult for us to stay there permanently. Right or wrong? Prove me wrong. Yes, it's difficult. You have you have known the difference. You have enjoyed other life, and you can't stay there. The heat alone will affect you because your system now is changed. Yes, it's changed. Just like them, the kids are beginning to live like the whites. They believe everything which this land practice. They have not lived in our country and don't know the economic of that country. It's where they are used to, which is where we are now. You will definitely, okay, some people will just have 5 houses in Nigeria. They don't even have one yet. They are still living in rent in this place. Why you make all those money? I didn't say don't build us. Build 1 or 2 houses. It's enough. Invest the rest money here. For your case, buy a house here. Buy shares for the future purposes, according to Florendo. For the future purposes, for the children. They will say thank you later. Because we all are making that mistake. We are busy, we want to build that in Africa, we want to open this business, but we forgot about the kids which we gave birth to. Yeah. Are they coming with us to Africa to stay there permanently? No, they are not coming. They may come for visit, but they are not coming to stay there. My darling sister, I've been thinking about this thing, and the other side of my brain said, this is not right that we Nigerians busy doing this thing. We in diaspora, this is what we are busy doing. It's very, very wrong. So my darling sisters, my darling uncles and aunties, why you make your money? Invest in the land which your kids are born in, and invest in your own land which you, the father, will be returning to. Don't invest in one part and neglect the other part. That is my point of this video. So this will be the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, don't hesitate to give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, guys. Let my subscribe. I want to go to 3,000. Please subscribe. Okay, see you all in my next video. Bye.